Yeah, hello guys. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Today is another wonderful day, and this is your boy Bugre Roger. Today I want us to learn something about how to get these things fixed. When you have an action blocked, when you're going to like a post, you won't be able to like it. Like you can see, action block. You won't be able to like the post. I want to teach you to fix it. Alright, so once you see you have an action block like this, don't panic. Alright, the first thing you have to do is come over here and then come over to settings, then you come over to help, then you come over to report a problem. Alright, then you come here and click report a problem, then you type in something. I'm going to type in something like, hi, please, I just got an action block on my account. Can you please help me get it fixed? Remove it for me. The reason why I'm sending this to them is simply because it is a bug. You haven't done anything wrong, your page is in good standing, and automatically you get this, then it means you have to do something about it, right? So when you do this, you just go and hit submit. Okay, so once you have done that, you come back, refresh, try to like and see if it will work. If it doesn't work, then it means you have to do something else, which is you have to log out and log in again, right? So I'm coming to log out. Now I've logged out from there. I'm going to log back in. Let's see if we'll be able to like some posts. Alright, so as you can see, it's now working. I recorded this video right today, fit me. You can see now it's working. Now you can like, you can post, you can do everything that you wanted to do before you couldn't do, right? Alright guys, so if this video helped you, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video to your friends, and drop a beautiful comment for me. I'll be glad to reply to all your comments. If you have any questions, if you want me to make any videos, please just drop them down there and I'll be happy to make those videos for you. This is me, Bugre Roger. Follow me on Instagram, Bugre_famous. Let's get interactive. Expect my next video by turning on my notifications right after you subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Signing out. Bye.